Here you go, dog. Please enjoy this recycled chew toy for fun and dental health. That's strange. Why doesn't he like it? Databot, more information on chew toys, please.
Some chew toys have a built-in squeaker that increases the dog's love for the toy.
This new chew toy doesn't have a squeaker. So, we need to fix the...
Way ahead of you, sir. We need to fix the dog. And Rover.
Not exactly, Databot. The dog loves the sound chew toys make just as much as the toy. We need to fix the squeaker.
Yes, that might be simpler.
There's a bot for this job.
There's a bot for this job, which one should we pick? There's a bot for this job who can get things fixed.
Toolbot, activate.
Toolbot Ranger ready.
Toolbot, we need you to fix the squeaker in this.
Sir, squeaker repair is a very complicated job. Not sure I can do it. Well, back to the ship, everyone. Mission not accomplished. Yeah, that's too bad when you think about it, because all I had to do was put a new squeaker in.
Wait, Toolbot, why don't you just put a new squeaker in?
Why didn't I think of that? Oh, yeah, I guess that's why you're running this show, boss.
He lives on his own special planet.
Friendship, can you send down the number 9 hyperdrive supersonic squeaker? Great, thanks a lot.
Toolbot? That hyperdrive looks pretty powerful.
Sir, if there's one thing you learn at Dewey University, you can never have too much power when it comes to squeakers. And activate. Hey, aside from a few tense moments, I think that went pretty well.
Let's test it on the dog.
Maybe it didn't need the racing stripe.
We've got to get the chew toy away from that dog before it squeaks the whole planet apart. After it, bots!